Welcome everyone! Another year passes by, and so there was another community awards which I managed to win. And so today we'll have to do the unboxing like we did last time. This is done a bit late. I don't know why they shipped it so late, but I'm guessing there was a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. But thankfully we have the package now. So sit back and relax and feel free to enjoy the unboxing. Let's get to it. This year release package is incredibly huge, as you can see. Like, yeah, okay, yeah, no, it's big. I'm just gonna, you have to trust me, I'm gonna do the unboxing here. I feel like I'm cutting a tree here. Oh yeah, yeah, baby. Yeah, I'm destroying everything here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, whoa, why do I... Hey, YouTube, you called your play... The play button was freaking sent. Hold up, OnePlus Nord. What do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna put everything down for now, and then I'll see everything. I'm not looking at them. I'm not looking at absolutely anything, and I'm gonna bring one by one. Let's get the big boxes. This is Nord Reacts. Yeah, Nord Reacts to my channel. I don't know. Is this the front or is this the one? I'm confused. Maybe is this like this? As far as I remember, the word Nord was written like this on the first box. So, ooh, that's stickers. Whoa, that's a lot of stickers. I love this one. This is the original, I think. I mean, all of the original, but like this is the one that I remember. Okay, we have a pin set. We have more pins actually, and this one is black. Okay, what's this? It's wild. Yeah, of course. Check this one. This is like the ice cream. This is the ice cream one. That's nice. And this one is so like happy. Or like, I'm gonna put it like this. I swear to God, it looks better like this. This is like a Instagram banner. These look so cool though. Okay, let's go. This is a... What's this? This doesn't look like a fridge mag. I swear to God, I'm so stupid. I have no idea what is this. Let me see something. Hold up. I'm gonna do it later actually. Okay, what's next? Maybe I should take this off. Wait. It's origami class over again. What is this? Norse socks? What? What the hell? They're orange. They're so comfy though. That is seeming so good quality. Okay, this one is... Whoa. What the fuck? What the... Oh my God, hold up. This is good. This is actually good. Okay, and yeah, this face. Okay. Literally no one, OnePlus, sends socks to users. No, but actually they're they're so nice. Wow. What's next? This is a tote bag, right? Yep, it's a tote bag. It's a good one. It's a really good one. Really cute one. I love this guy, okay? And I'm guessing it's empty because it was very small, right? So it's a tote bag with a bag. It's a very good quality though. Whoa. Okay, so this is the Nord part. Let me get the socks. Let me get everything from here. And this apparently is for this. And I broke it, right? Okay. Up next is a smaller one. This thing. And this is the 11th anniversary, which is like this. Alright. I think this is a pin set, or it might be. Oh yeah, it's a pin set. I really love this one. It looks so good. Like, look at this. And now another Una. So happy. Can I remove these? I really want to show them up close. Oh, this is holding the OnePlus 13, I guess, in blue. Oh, and this is the... Okay, question. Which mountain did Una climb and named OnePlus? And this one is very cute. Up next is this one, which I think is a doll. Right? Oh, it's the Una Explorer. Yep. What? I think I just committed a crime. Hold up. How did I break it? No, this is legit broken. Oh, nah, it's okay. I'm gonna fix it. Let me get everything from here. This really looks cool. Of course, except the no head part. It says 11 here, which is nice. I'm gonna keep this part. I don't know about this, but I'm gonna play ping pong. No, ping pong. Next up is this one, I think it is. Yep, it's exactly what I think it is. It's a... have no idea how it is called, but I know what it is. I already have one of these, and I'm using it. It's so good. I wanted one of these for so long. Oh yeah. And now I have a second one. It's as good as the other one. So apparently this is what I have. This is another thing, and this looks more like the old generation or something like that. Firstly, I think it's a bit smaller, but like I'm keeping my charge here, and yeah, this is a bit different, as you can see. Hold up, like check this out. This is a bit different. Nevertheless, it's an old gen. This is the first batch, or within the first batches. Yeah, it's very cool. Next up is a t-shirt, I think. I mean, this looks like a t-shirt. This is the 11th anniversary. The number one thing that I really wanted. It's very basic in here, but in back, it's amazing. I love this design. I actually love this sketch. I wanted to do like a t-shirt myself, just because this design looks very awesome, and it's very, very nice. Like it has a nice finish. I mean, it's just a t-shirt, right? I'm gonna wear it up in a tiny bit. And lastly, there's a pair of headphones, and I'm still not looking what it is. And I think it like this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's the blue one. It's the new one. Okay, let me do an unboxing here. Simple as that. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, that was not supposed to happen. Let's see this finish. It looks decent, to be honest. It really looks decent. I still prefer my white ones for some reason. Like, this is the only like white pair that I really love. But like, it's amazing. Okay. Yeah, the tips. Very good tips. Which one do you prefer? This one or this one? If you get a OnePlus 13, I guess this one fits. But this one, it's still better. Like the leather finish looks like the new chargers, like the dual port charger that we have, and this is the exact same finish that those chargers get, and it's really fitting. And of course the black one is like very standard. I used to have a OnePlus Buds Pro in black. I know it's a good product. I'm actually surprised that they gave me a pair of headphones like these. When I had to pay the duty fees, I was like told what's inside the box because of legal reasons, and I saw that there's a pair of headphones, but the pair of headphones was valued as $100, which is a bit too low compared to the actual product. And I actually did a bit of like tinkering and search and everything to see exactly what headphones did OnePlus launch for $100, and apparently it was a lie. This was one, and I quite enjoyed them. Well, this is the t-shirt. It's a bit small. They need to make bigger t-shirts. This is the back of it. It's a bit small, but like, I'm gonna ask them to make bigger t-shirts for me. Unboxing was like very crazy. I got a lot of stuff, which is very nice, and like thank you a lot for winning the second year. Was it like the best review of the year? Yeah, I know, it was the best. Like, obviously it was the best. I do the best reviews, right? This is why I'm here, of course. Without further ado, this has been the whole Community Awards 2024 unboxing, done in 2025. And my name is Razmarux, and I have better socks than you.